Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So guys, as you know that the audio quality in any video is very crucial part of that video. So for that, as you know, I'm a YouTuber, so we have to invest in some good quality microphones to get some awesome quality voice as you're right now hearing. By the way, this voice is being recorded with this Zoom H1 microphone as you see over here. And by the way guys, I have a Hindi channel too, जहाँ पर मैं बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी के कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड कंटेंट अपलोड करता हूँ. तो अगर आप लोगों को हिंदी में वीडियोस देखनी है, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में पहली लिंक जो है वो मेरे हिंदी चैनल की होगी, जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बस. So as you might already know that audio quality is very important. That's why I'm searching for any other good microphone in budget, so I can suggest you guys, those who are aspiring YouTubers and my budding YouTubers. So I wanted to suggest some good microphones. So for that I am researching lots of microphones in the industry. So I came across with this microphone. By the way, I got this from my friend, just borrowed it for some days, so I wanted to make a review on this microphone. So basically this is a Boya BY-MM1. So this microphone costs 3000 rupees on Amazon.in. Basically this microphone is a cardioid pattern microphone. What that means is it can capture your voice from this angle only. Basically you can say this is a directional microphone. If you can direct this microphone in any position, then it will capture the voice from that position only. That means if I can capture it like here, so it can capture a voice from my face, basically my mouth. If I can face this microphone over other side, so the person other side can only be captured by this microphone, not the other way around. And it can cancel out other surroundings. So by the way, in the box you will get this dead cat thing. Basically this is a noise reduction thing. If you can use this in the outside, then the sound quality will be much better as compared to without using that. Basically it can cut the wind noise in the wind, so it is a very helpful thing. And you also get these two cables in the box. Basically this cable can be used to connect your microphone to the DSLR, and this cable can be used to connect your microphone to smartphone. And this microphone has this, basically this is a cold shoe adapter. You can use this cold shoe adapter to connect it on your camera's hot shoe mount. So guys, let's talk about the build quality of this microphone. So guys, this microphone is built with metal. As you see, it's the whole body is built with metal, and at the end over here you will get a 3.5mm audio jack to connect the microphone to DSLR or smartphone. And you will get a like metal mesh type of thing. And the build quality of this microphone is really good. It looks very rugged and it has a heft too. So in terms of build quality, a huge thumbs up from my side. Basically it's a replica of that Rode Video Micro. It's a very famous YouTuber mic or budget YouTuber mic. So basically you can get this microphone for 3000 rupees from Amazon, and you will also get this clip to attach it on your DSLR. So basically you can connect this to your DSLR. Let me connect it to my DSLR and let's see how the video quality will turn out after connecting this microphone. After I snap my finger, you will hear the sound from my DSLR's microphone, not my Zoom H1. So 1, 2, 3. So guys, right now you are hearing the voice from my DSLR's microphone. So let me know how's the quality of my DSLR's microphone. I'm 2 feet away from my DSLR, and guys, the room is fully packed. And by the way, this voice is not been edited at all, so let me know how's the quality of this voice. And now let me connect the microphone to the DSLR. So guys, right now you're hearing from this Boya microphone, so let me know how's the quality it picks. And it is on the top of my DSLR. This pop filter is not connected to this microphone, so let me connect it to my microphone and let me know, do you notice any difference after connecting this? Let me put that on the... So guys, right now I have connected the dead cat. Let me know how's the quality you will find from that microphone. So let me know how's the quality. And some children are crying outside my house, so even then let me know, is it picking that noise or not? So now let me connect this microphone to my Zoom H1 and let's see how's the difference. So let's switch to Zoom H1. 1, 2, 3. So guys, right now you are again hearing me from my Zoom H1, and now let's connect this microphone to my Zoom H1 and let's see how the quality will gonna turn out. So as you see, let me connect it to my Zoom H1. So guys, now you are hearing me from this microphone, this Boya microphone, and I have connected this Boya microphone to this Zoom H1, and the level is on 50, and I'm not shouting at all. I'm just comfortably talking to you guys. So let me know how's the quality is. Is it better than my Zoom H1 or is it not better than my Zoom H1? So let me know in the comment section below which one is better in the voice quality. So let me reduce the input level and let's see whether it can sound better or not. So guys, as you see, it is on level 20, and for voiceovers you can use this setting and use this microphone like this, and you can use this for voiceovers in your videos like I am doing right now. So let me know how's the quality of this microphone, and let me disconnect it again and let me tell you how the quality will sound like when you use it as a voiceover microphone. So guys, right now the level is on 19 or 20 and you are hearing me from this Zoom H1. So let me know how's the quality, which one is better in terms of voice quality, this one or this one. So yeah, with that said, let me switch back to my original position, which is a Zoom H1 on 50. The mic was here. So guys, we are back. So as you might hear all the tests, let me know which one is better. It is very good, by the way. I have already used this microphone outside this building, so I will play that clip after this video.
अच्छा, ये माइक
एक नंबर है।
तो बोया का माइक
रिसेंटली माइक क्लियर है, सेम माइक है,
सेम माइक मैं भी यूज़ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। तो देख लेना आप लोगों को ऑडियो भी किस तरीके से मिलती है। तो यहाँ पे ज़हीर भाई भी है। अच्छा ज़हीर भाई, ये जो इवेंट हो रहा है अपना इधर जो हम लोग जिसमें आए हैं, तो तुमको क्या इंटरेस्टिंग क्या है?
So yeah, in conclusion I have to say it is a very good budget microphone. I bought this Zoom H1 for 5,000 rupees in some offer, and this microphone cost 3,000 in India, which is a very good thing. So in my conclusion, I have to say it is a very good microphone. I surely do recommend this microphone to you guys. If you are a budding YouTuber, then you should try this microphone, and you can also use this microphone with your smartphone with this cable. So yeah, that's all about this microphone. I wanted to tell you guys it's a very good microphone, so you can trust this microphone and you can buy this. So I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can buy this microphone. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. If you really like this video, please hit that like button. Yeah, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Please share this video with your friends who are YouTuber or who are trying to be a YouTuber or who are into filmmaking or video production or audio production. Please share this video with them. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.